chose the topic reinforced effort, and that is praise over students' achievement. But as I was doing research, I found more information on feedback and how praise is actually a subtopic of feedback. So I found that research has proven that feedback is beneficial, but not always practiced by teachers. So the type of feedback, timing of it, and the use can have positive effects on students. So one of the articles I used was called The Power of Feedback by John Hattie and Helen Temperley. And they define feedback as information provided by an agent regarding aspects of one's performance or understanding. So simplified, it's a teacher's response to a student's work. Hattie and Temperley also came up with 4 task levels or types of feedback. So the first one is feedback can be about a task or product and can include direction on how to improve. And I'm going to talk more about this later. And the second one was feedback can be directed to help the learning process. So this would be when a student asks a question and then a teacher would answer that. And the third one is personal feedback, which is a self-reflection to see how much the student has learned, and it's kind of like an assessment of their ability. The fourth is personal feedback from the teacher, which is unrelated to the task, so it's a general form of praise. So it'll be like me saying, Michelle, you're a good student. So this is the topic that praise would fit into. So moving back to corrective feedback, which was the first task level, is the most common form, and it focuses on the correctness of a behavior or task accomplishment. So this would be what we just did with everyone else's papers. We went over them, like what Rachel did with mine. She wrote down what she liked, what she thought I was missing, what I could expound on, stuff like that. So that's the kind of feedback that works the best. And then comparing that with teacher praise. Teacher praise is a popular reinforcement method in the personal feedback category. Paul Burnett did some research that he believes teacher praise is recommended for teachers to use because, quote, it can build self-esteem and provide encouragement, and it's also been proven that it can strengthen students' self-efficacy. But it's debated between Burnett and Hattie and Temperley that they say that praise isn't effective because it's not very specific to the task at hand, but they do agree that it can increase self-efficacy if it is directed to the task. So comparing the two, both produce positive effects in students, but feedback gains the upper hand because it gives students suggestions as to what to improve on and helps them learn the material better, while praise simply just encourages the student. Using feedback can be as simple as writing notes on a student's essay, math homework, quiz, just like we kind of did. Correcting a paper, writing or telling a student how to find the right answer allows a student to understand the concept better and know why they got it wrong and how they can correct it. So feedback is an important factor in today's classroom, and I believe that it should be implemented in every classroom.